In this video, I'll be showing you how to add another Facebook account. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do is go ahead and open up our Facebook application, then navigate over to your profile picture or go to the menu icon on the top left where it has the three lines. Now, once you go ahead and do that, go over to the very bottom of the canvas and you're going to see log out as one of the options. So go ahead and press that and then log out of your account. And then once you go ahead and do that, you're going to see any profiles you have. As you can see, I already have two profiles, but if you only see one, then what you want to do is press use another profile. And then from here, you're going to be able to sign in and add another Facebook account. And then once you do, it's going to look something like this. And then just choose whichever Facebook account you want to log into. And then it's going to log in for you. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.